So guys, welcome sa ating channel, Boy Healthy Diet Mix Vlog. Itong grass na to, tinatawag tong kogon in Philippines. This grass called kogon. Sometimes I forgot bring any kinds of food. So I try this like sugar cane. I eat this and collect the water inside this. Last week I experienced this because I forgot bring some foods. So that's why for my stomach I eat this to collect the water inside this like sugar cane. So tingnan nyo guys.
Tingnan niyo yung pagkain niya sa grass, oh.
Isa itong gamot pang ulcer tsaka yung kidney problems. Dito matataba dito. Punta dito. Punta tayo dito.
Okay.
Punta tayo dito. Gusto ko makita niyo na pwede niyo kainin to. Yung ano lang, yung katas lang ha. Yung katas lang. Ito yung ginawa ko. Yung nakaraan ng isang linggo, last week, I tried this because I'm very hungry because no breakfast and lunch. So because my guest visitor very later going down.
Okay,
So, ganito lang.
kinakain niya guys, oh.
Kinuha ko yung katas. Tingnan nyo guys. Parang tubo. Pero season to pag bagong tubo ha, bagong grass, new grass. Makikita mo to. Pero yung mga old na, hindi mo na ito makikita. Pag ganito lang bagong sunog eh. Marami itong katas guys.
Ang sarap magtingin guys.
Parang sugar cane. Kinukuha ko to. Yan o. Hanggang doon lang sa walang bunga. Oh. Yan ah. Tapon yan. I experienced this last Sunday because I forgot any kinds of food. So okay. Tingnan nyo mabuti guys. Oh. Ito yung itsura niya. Maraming katas to sa ilalim. Pag kinain mo to, magkuha mo yung katas, pang survive to sa stamina, stomach. Okay. Follow, like and share. Steady.